About 1/3 of elderly people aged 85 or above have a chance of developing Alzheimer's disease, and traditional methods of diagnosis are usually invasive and expensive. To address that problem, the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology has developed a simple test that can detect Alzheimer's 10 years before symptoms develop with just one drop of blood. Jackie Lin spoke with the university's president, who helmed the game-changing research efforts.
More than 50 million people are afflicted by Alzheimer's disease worldwide, and that number is set to double by 2050. Now, a cutting-edge screening method has been developed by a research team spearheaded by renowned neuroscientist Nancy Ip, who's also president of the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. It's set to facilitate early detection of the ailment with just one drop of blood.
It's certainly a game changer. Currently, there are existing approaches for diagnosis, and it includes brain imaging, it includes analysis of the pathological proteins in the cerebrospinal fluid, right? But these procedures are either costly or invasive.
Using the new blood test, people can be screened for the accumulation of toxic amyloid beta in the brain, a key biomarker of Alzheimer's disease.
One drop of blood would be sufficient for the diagnostic test. And it's very simple because, it's just the ability for us to assay 21 proteins that are, highly associated with the disease.
The test can detect Alzheimer's 10 years before symptoms develop with an accuracy rate of 96%. For other mild cognitive impairment, an 87% accuracy rate as well. Professor Ip said the early diagnostics complement the new Alzheimer's medication Leqembi, just out last year in the U.S. and proven effective in slowing disease progression for early Alzheimer's disease.
So the goal is to have early identification, early diagnosis, and early treatment.
While their blood tests cover Chinese and European demographics, Professor Ip also told us they hope their diagnostics could expand to even more Belt and Road countries encompassing Central Asian and African countries for even more global reach. Jackie Lin, TVB News.